Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing another wig unboxing first impression video. Today we're unboxing the Sensationnel Moneymaker unit. I got this in a jet black one. That is my preference. I did purchase this from wigtypes.com, and I'll make sure that I include a link and all the pertinent information down in the description box below. I just wanted to say that this model is absolutely beautiful. She looks so good, and the way that she's wearing the unit is, immediately when I saw it, I was like, oh yes, I'm definitely gonna buy that. The color, her outfit, everything looks good. This is a textured lace unit, so if you are someone with natural hair and you prefer kinky straight, it's not kinky straight, but if you prefer kinky textured units, this is definitely a unit for you. And it says tailored textures, curls, kinks and company. It is a 100% premium fiber, so this is definitely aimed at people with natural hair. It has a deep center part. On the information card, it's considered a protective style. We already know wigs are protective styles, but they say that it is a protective style. It says that they're baby hairs from a seamless finish, but I didn't really see them, which is good. And it says that this unit is recommended for all curl types ranging from 3B to 4C. This unit does have ear-to-ear soft lace. It can be styled as an updo, and it has a natural feel and look. And then on the back of the information card, it does include information about how to maintain this unit, as well as other colors that this unit comes in. And there's even an icon on the information card that says hot water set. So if the curls do fall, then you can just pop some rollers back in, dip it in hot water, and it's good to go. So I really like that because this unit will last as long as you want to, in theory, because it's never gonna not look good. It's always gonna keep this texture that it has. It's always gonna look really good because you just dip it in some hot water, take it out, and you're renewing the wig. All right, so getting into the cap construction, you guys can see that there are two combs directly surrounding this middle parting space. And then at the bottom of the unit, you guys can see that there is one comb as well as adjustable straps on both sides. All right, so fresh out of the package, this is what it looks like, and I feel like these curls are so uniform. They need to be brushed out. As always, it comes with that customary amount of lace. I'm gonna go in, I'm going to cut it off, style it, and then come back to you guys with all of my final thoughts, questions, comments, concerns, and additional specs about the unit. I just wanted to show you guys in the styling process, this side has been fluffed, has been picked out, brushed out, and then this side is still uniform for the package. So just to show you guys the difference in between the two sides. All right, so we're back with this big luscious hair. I have gone in with a wide tooth comb, fluffed it out. It looks less uniform. It's really pretty. I added powder from this Black Radiance contour palette. I used the sculpting powder in the middle and just applied some of that to the parting space to make it look more realistic. I would definitely suggest leaving out a little bit of your edges and then just blending them, because this is a textured unit. Then you can get away with blending your edges and it looks even more realistic. It's a seamless transition. This is a synthetic unit and it is a kinky textured unit. So all of my natural hair friends, then this is definitely a unit for you. If you want something, if you want to just skip the awkward stage of growing out your hair and go straight to big, beautiful, voluminous hair, then this is the unit for you. In terms of length on the unit, it comes to right here, so just past my shoulder, so it's not terribly long. It feels very light on the head. It has really good movement, stiff wear. This is a lot of hair, so it might be overwhelming, but I do see myself putting a little bit behind my ear just to tone it down a little bit, so to speak. But even at that, it still looks really good. I just don't like my hair swallowing me up. So I definitely see myself adding some bobby pins or just pinning it behind my hair, and now I can see and it's not eating me up. In terms of the fit of the cap, I didn't have to adjust the straps. I didn't have to use any combs. It's staying on my head very securely. It's big head friendly. I don't feel like it's cutting off the circulation, so that's definitely good. In terms of shedding, I didn't get any shedding, surprisingly. With curlier or more textured units, you do expect to have some sort of shedding, but when I was combing through the unit, I didn't get any shedding at all, so that's very good. And because of the nature of the unit, then I've styled it like this now, and I feel as though I'm just gonna have to go in and fluff it every now and again, but it's not something that I'm going to have to brush out like a straight unit. With the age of the unit, as I wear it more, then it's gonna get bigger and bigger, so that's just something to keep in mind. So if you want, then you can detangle a little bit, fluff it out a little bit, and then as you wear it more, the curls are gonna drop and the volume is going to increase on the unit. Again, it's a kinky textured unit and it has a very natural, dull luster. I definitely like it. You can fool somebody. And also, I wanted to comment, you guys may not be able to notice it, but it is cut into about 3 different layers on the unit. So if you see that you don't like the length, then there are different points where you can go in and cut it and make it into a different unit. But for right now, I like the way that it comes, but you guys see you can go in and cut it to here, and then you just get 2 wigs for the price of 1. Overall, I really, really like it. I think it's cute. We don't get too many good natural hair units that don't look super wiggy. So I really like this one. Again, you don't get too many natural hair units that don't look like clown units or that look very believable. So definitely this is a good kinky textured unit. It's a nice length and a nice way to switch it up. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked the video, definitely hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Bring a friend next time or share this with a friend that you think would like this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, definitely leave them down below in the comment section, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.